Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 13th question in exercise 4.5. Find the real values for A for which the system of equations has infinitely many solutions. See, this is again a set of homogeneous equations, which means it can have infinitely many solutions when determinant D is equal to 0. So let's evaluate determinant D. So this is 1, A, 0. In the second case, there is no x coefficient, so it is 0, 1, A. And in the third case, it is A, 0 and 1. So this determinant's value should be equal to 0 for us to have infinitely many solutions. So let's expand this determinant. So this is 1 into 1 minus 0 minus A into 0 minus A squared plus 0 into whatever happens this way. It is either way 0, so I'm directly equating it to here. So 1 minus or minus is plus A cube is equal to 0, which means A cube is equal to minus 1. So A can take only one value in this case, which is equal to minus 1. So the real value of A for which this equation will have infinitely many solutions is A is equal to minus 1. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 14th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.